In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Docs and Google Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a Google Doc neatly attached to a calendar event so everyone who's invited can open it right from the invite. This is perfect for meeting agendas, project notes, or any document you want people to review ahead of time. Start by opening Google Docs and load the document you want to link to your event. With the document open, look to the upper right and find the Share button. This controls who can access the file. If your document is currently set to restricted, only specific people you've added can open it, which often leads to those request access emails later. To avoid that, change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. If you're working with sensitive information, pick the lowest level of access you need. Viewer is safest for read only, commenter allows feedback, and editor gives full control. Once you've chosen the right level, save your changes so the link sharing setting is applied. Now switch over to Google Calendar. Open your calendar and click on the event where you want the document to appear. In the event pop-up, choose Edit to open the full event details. Find the description area where you normally add notes. Just below or within that field, click the Google Drive triangle icon. This opens your Drive file picker where you can browse or search for the document you just adjusted. Select your specific Google Doc from the list. You'll see its name and icon, which is a good sign you've chosen the right file. Then click Insert. The document will now be attached to the event, typically appearing below the description area. If you picked the wrong file, you can remove it and repeat the insert step with the correct one. Finally, save the event. That's what locks in the attachment and updates your invite for all guests. From now on, anyone invited to the event can open the document directly from the calendar entry. If attendees report they can't access the file, revisit the document's share settings and confirm it's set to anyone with the link at the appropriate access level. Also remember that some organizations enforce stricter sharing rules. If that's the case, you may need to share with specific people instead. And that's it. Your Google Doc is successfully linked to your Google Calendar event, making preparation and collaboration smoother for everyone involved.